A big wicket. Very good catch in the knee. And look at the celebration. The men in white are creating turbulence here at the center. Gave himself a bit of room, hitting the bottom end of the bat and straight into the hands of the fielder. You have to run a bit.
Umpires are making their way to the center. Semi-final time. News coming in from the other side, where it's a virtual quarter-final. Smart Bharat Mavericks, they opted to bat first and they are 25 for 3 in 3.3 overs.
Shahrukh Khan, naam to suna hi hoga.
3 players back in the pavilion. Ahmed Shikon, Karan Dandan and Mushtaq.
In the Bollywood, Shahrukh Khan here will have to do something. They'll have to do the damage control. They'll have to find a partnership. Good delivery. Keeping things tight is Sonu Khan. No ball. Free hit. And Shahrukh Khan has all the
अगर किसी की घड़ी घूमी हुई है, नेवी ब्लू स्ट्रैप, डिजिटल वॉच अगर किसी की घूम गई है तो प्लीज आके ग्राउंड नंबर 2 के कमेंट्री बॉक्स में पिक कर लीजिए.
Just did not connect on that occasion. Good delivery from Sonu Khan. Bit wayward, got away with it.
Up in the air, chance, batter slipping, yet to get off the mark. So it's the man who has done maximum damage for Buffalo Bullets has been given the responsibility to start the attack. It's Mohammad Sajid.
Sonu Khan has been targeting the first touch channel.
Pulled away, chance, a tough one. It's a big semi-final here. Aurum Spartans won the toss. They decided to bat first. And Buffalo Bullets were pretty much happy with that decision because they anyway wanted field. That's on the leg side. He'll have to re-bowl that one.
Some defense control by Shahrukh Khan.
Gajendra and Pramod, the other two opening pairs.
Tinku Kumar. Full toss, low, full toss.
Nicely played. Not try to go berserk after bowling. This is their clear message here.
काफी अच्छी बॉलिंग करते हुए टीम कुमार कोई consistently.
Oh, down the leg side, that will be wide.
It's a must-win game for both of them to stay alive in this tournament. Shuffles and connects, but straight into the hands of the fielder, and has put it down. And to make things worse, it has gone for a boundary. We spoke about it umpteen number of times. Catches,
Good delivery.
catches.
Mohammad Sajid continuing from where he left.
It will haunt you down.
A big heave on the onside, and that will be a boundary. We'll have to wait for the signal there from the umpire. like it bounced. Yeah, far boundary signal there. With the naked eye, it felt like it bounced well inside. Oh, missing a full toss.
5-1, 36 for 3.
Was an opportunity there. And it's a no ball. Free hit and offer. Get a quick single. Not able to make full use of that free hit.
Halfway stage, 36 for 3.
End of the first over, it's 10 for no loss. Nicely played. Just a single. It's a 10 over match. 10 over match. Scorer. Semi-final is 10 overs, not 8 overs.
Caught behind. The finger goes up. And they're celebrating. This is a big wicket. Have to walk back. Good catch by the keeper. Look at the celebration there.
That's up in the air. Chance. But there could have been a collision. No call whatsoever. इधर ही आके कर लो भाई.
There's a new batter, picks up a single straight away, gets off the mark. But this has been a very good over.
Good dot delivery there, outside the off stump. Not enough margin for the batter to play and free his arms there. But a very good over, just 3 runs for Manish. 13 for no loss.
Another wide delivery. Well, this is not going to help the course. It's going to make sure that he needs to roll towards the off-stump channel. It's got the protection in the knee. In form of a long leg. This is tied up in the air. And a comfortable catch. Satyam Singh picks up a wicket of his own bowling. Will have to depart, trying to up the ante, and in the process, another casualty.
14 for no loss. Shubham Gill.
Samir Soni is the new batter. quick
bring it down the ground, will be happy.
6-1, 42 for 5.
Taking a single. Not a berserk start, they just don't want to go wild against the bowling here. Looks like they have a plan in place. Spartans. Oh, that's up in the air. Just a single on that occasion. Gajendra Singh moves on to 7 of 9. Pramod on strike. Off the back foot, Kansan on the offside. And Sajid.
All the bowlers have lived up to the expectations of the skipper and the management. So far, it has been clinical performance from the men in white. Opportunity that's been put down. Outside edge. It's all happening here. One more time. Quick reflexes is what you need. Oh, that should have been taken. That should have been taken. Opportunity for short of the fielder. That's what we see. Want to take those starts just to convert.
Heave on the onside. There is a chase being put in by the fielder. Does a brilliant job. Coming back for the second. And they'll get it comfortably. Good running between the wickets there. Scorer batsman on strike is Gajendra. Gets a thick outside edge. Manish covers it up. 3 overs gone, it's 20 for no loss.
Brilliant over. Any finish of the over. This time the wicketkeeper latches on to it. And another one goes down. Outside edge. His eyes were glued to the ball. And comfortably taken in the end. 7 gone, 45 for 6.
Shubham, please hurry up with your proceedings. Shubham, you'll have to speed up. Lead it in the gap. Great effort. That will be a boundary there. Pull in the air, chance. Great effort. Making sure that the ball doesn't beat him. Putting his body on the line and does a fantastic job ensuring that the ball stays within the playing area and doesn't cross over him. 25 for no loss. Up in the air, chance. Dropped. Took it easy, or way too easy. How costly that's going to be, only time will tell us. Again a heave on to the onside.
That's exactly what you're going to do. Bowl at good left angles. As long as you can do that, you will be rewarded at some point. Good delivery. He followed the batter on that occasion. There is smart bit of bowling from Satyam Singh.
Playing it straight, happy to take a single.
High signal by the umpire.
There another chance.
Two is gone.
Not to be so.
50 for 6.
28 for no loss in 3.5. So going at a steady pace here, 7.5, and they have not lost a wicket. That's the most important part. Up in the air, chance. Had there been a fielder inside the circle? Maybe yes.
The last league stage match between Dragons and the Warriors. Both the captains are requested to reach at
Quite a strange field setup there. Nonetheless, 4 overs gone, 29 for no loss.
Dragons and 3D Warriors captain, please come for the toss.
General has been taken. How many times have we seen that today? Brilliant piece of bowling from Rahul, and the keeper does the rest. Another one goes down. Trying to
Eddie Dragons captain,
fish
please come for the
outside the
toss.
Austin. In the process, they lose another wicket. 52 for 7.
Oh, that's big. Is it big? Oh, just dropping shot. In fact, missing it. Oh, running on that occasion. Just hope that he has not hurt himself there. Welcome boundary for Pramod. Scorer, the batter name is Pramod.
The call is for 2. Fielder ensures they do not pick the second one. Spraying onto the platform, they have to be reloaded once again. Rahul to Rahul.
Wicket falling here. Thirty-four for 1. And it's Pramod who departs after scoring 19 of 17 balls. Abhilash, please come. Please come. Oh, what a good delivery. Very good delivery. Ravi Londhe.
They've done well. They've taken those.
He's bowling to Nawaz, the double end. End of his first over, conceding just 5 and picking up an important wicket, breaking through the partnership. 34 for 1 out of 5.
What have you done? What have you done, something? There was an opportunity for an out. Trying to match onto the ball. Opportunity was gone.
Mohammad Sajid comes into the attack.
Yet again, balloon up in the air. Yet again, Sikims not able to collect that delivery, resulting in an extra
35 for 1. Trying to pull that on the onside. Big show of all Spartans. Nawaz.
straight to the fielder. Easy run out.
And a big lead on the onside. Just a single.
Bharat Mavericks have managed
Important to assess when do they cut loose. Half the overs are done. Going at 6.5 over.
The Titans
Is that enough?
will have a role to play.
On the onside. And drop by the long on fielder. Staying there and indicating that couldn't sight the ball. There have been an opportunity for Sajid to open his account there. Again, to put it on the onside there. He likes to play in that area. A ball to go here in the 6th over. This is Sajid's 2nd over. Hasn't picked up a wicket yet. Again a heave on the onside. Good work. Ensuring that he knew where the boundary was. Just a single to finish the 6th over. It's 39 for 1. Very good job by the Bullets. Again, ensuring that he judges it perfectly there. Ravi Londhe into the attack for his 2nd over, asking for a breakthrough there. Skipper Shubham. Again, trying to play on the onside. A day early onto the shot. Nawaz is not able to get the connection here. Got the connection, and that will be a boundary. Not the best of connections from Nawaz, but that will help boost his confidence to go berserk. He will open up now, and if not now, then when? 7th over in progress. Up in the air, another chance. Sajid settling, puts it down. Has he put the chances of them qualifying into the finals down? That's the danger man, Nawaz. Again a heave on the onside. Bowling it slow, mixing it up pretty nicely there, Nawaz. In fact, Ravi. 47 for 1, 6.5 overs. Wide, have to re-bowl that one. 14 already conceded here in his 1.5 overs. Big shot, chance, put down again. So the pair continues to operate here for Spartans. They have upped the scoring rate to 7 and over. It's 49 for 1 after 7 overs. यहाँ पे पब्लिक डिमांड है कि थोड़े फिजाई हमले करें. Good delivery, Manish Kotian. Bowling it slow, right up there. A heave on the onside. Great recovery. Almost overran on that occasion. Making sure that he covered it up pretty nicely. Keeping an eye on the ball right till the end. That's the key. Need to ensure that always have eye on the ball.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen.
50 up for the Aurum Spartans.
One chase that we'll be watching right now.
That's up in the air. Chance.
6.2 runs in over.
And keeper takes it. And it's the big man. Nawaz departs. Nawaz. Let's see if he has any more fireworks to display here. It looks like a very silent approach here from Aurum Spartans.
In the power play. First one's on board. Titans.
Cut away. And looks like the ball is following this person. He goes in the long on, the ball comes there. He goes on the outside to the point reach and the ball is coming there.
It's all about the wickets. It's all about taking those catches. Which was won. We'll get to know.
Looking for two and they'll get two comfortably. With two coming in place, it gets very difficult to put runs on board. It's 51 for 2, 7.4.
Top edge and straight to the fielder. First wicket goes down. All Titans.
Trying to swing it out of the park. Ball to go here. Eight overs gone. Shubham, please rotate your bowlers faster.
First wicket down and in comes Bahauddin.
Slapped over covers. Great effort by the skipper. A couple of runs there.
बेहतरीन लाजवाब उम्दा विकेट कीपिंग यहाँ पे अमित कुमार की वापसी लाजवाब गेंदबाजी अब जीत धीरे बार विकेट लेते हुए रनों पे रोक लगाते हुए दुविधाएं दिक्कतें बढ़ती हुई स्पार्टन्स 53 ऑन बोर्ड 3 wickets down.
What a delivery. That was a peach of delivery from Mushtaq. And look at that celebration for the men in blue. They had absolutely no answer to that question. Inside edge, negotiating out the below onto the stumps.
स्ट्राइक करंट पे जाना चाहिए था लेकिन एक रन
And all sorts of problem.
लेते हुए क्योंकि चित्र रनअप के साथ यहाँ पे 5 नंबर के ओ लहराते दौड़ लगाते हुए
Responsibility on his shoulders. What a start for Mushtaq. Oh! Back-to-back wickets for Mushtaq. He's on a hat-trick. What a delivery. What a much-to-win match for the team. Well, he's setting the stage on fire here.
एक बार दिशा से भटकते हुए
Juicy full toss meant to be punished. And he gets the
जीपीएल सीजन 5 का ये पहला सेमीफाइनल हवा में कीपर बॉलर और ड्रॉप खराब तालमेल यहाँ पे बार बार बचे मौका जरूर लेकिन तालमेल में गड़बड़ जिसके चलते जीवन दान मिलता हुआ
He's on a hat-trick. Can he pick up a hat-trick here, Mushtaq? Well, he's got all the ingredients to pick one. He's considered as a match winner, has been contributing significantly. On a hat-trick.
स्टार बॉलर
Defensive.
रवि लोधी तैयार हो गए आखिरी ओवर
That was well played by Habibul Malik. 3 for 3.
खेलना चाहते थे लेग साइड पे गेंद गई ऑफ साइड पे 2-2 रन के साथ ओ डायरेक्ट हिट वापस तीसरे रन के लिए हर एक रन महत्वपूर्ण इस महामुकाबले में। बैफल बुलेट्स के डिफेंडिंग चैंपियंस है यहाँ पे। रवि लोधे की पहली गेंद पे 3 रन बटोरते हुए। हुए लाजवाब गेंदबाजी एक बार दर्शाते हुए कि बेहतरीन गेंदबाज है रवि लोधे। थोड़े से महंगे जरूर साबित हुए लेकिन विकेट लेने में कामयाबी मिली थी नहीं। हवा में गेंद लहराती हुई 6 रन। बेहतरीन छक्का यहाँ पे नगेंद्र सिंह बल्लेबाजी का प्रदर्शन यहाँ पे। आवश्यकता थी 6 रनों की और पहुंचा दिया गेंद को सीमारे का पार। दो गेंदें इनिंग्स में सिंह फिर एक बार हवा में फील्डर अभिजीत कोई गलती नहीं। पहली बार की लेकिन काफी जल्दी यहाँ पे रिकवरी करते हुए बड़ा छक्का लेकिन एक अच्छी पारी इसमें एक चौका एक छक्का मौजूद। 66 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 4। दूसरी सफलता रवि लोधे को। बढ़िया रिकवरी यहाँ पे अभिजीत की और उतना ही बढ़िया थ्रो। मात्र 1 रन यहाँ पे मिलेगा। इसके साथ समाप्ति 67 और स्पार्टन्स 5 विकेट के नुकसान पे लाजवाब गेंदबाजी का प्रदर्शन। बुलेट बढ़िया कमबैक। ढेर सारे कैचेस यहाँ पे ड्रॉप किए लेकिन फिर भी 70 के नीचे रोकने में कामयाबी मिली। बैफल बुलेट को 67 5 विकेट के नुकसान पे दूसरी पारी में 68 की दरकार होगी।
One-way traffic.
दीपक ब्राउन बुल्स के प्लेयर से रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे यहाँ से सिटी भाई से आके मिले। दीपक ब्राउन बुल्स शुभम कप्तान तैयार। गेंद लेके अमित तैयार। आखिरी मौका दोनों टीमों के पास। सूझ बूझ के साथ खेलना होगा यहाँ पे कप्तान शुभम को। वहीं पे अमित कुमार जाने जाते हैं विकेट लेने के लिए। नवाज तानी फिर एक बार देखने को मिलेगी कि वो रोटेशन पॉलिसी जहाँ पे बार बार विकेट लेने में कामयाबी मिली बॉलर को जाने दिया। और इसी के साथ खाता खुलता हुआ टीम का 69 टारगेट बुलेट्स को फिर एक बार फाइनल में जाने के लिए। दे आर द डिफेंडिंग चैंपियंस। बढ़िया शुरुआत।
Full toss.
बल्ले का अंदरूनी किनारा 1 रन के साथ अपना खाता खोलते हुए। सलीम अहमद जो पिछले मैच में बिना गेंद खेले रनआउट हुए थे, इस बार जलवा दिखाना होगा रज़ाक सलीम अहमद। ऑफ द रेस लेकिन टीम बढ़िया फील्डिंग, कप्तान तैनात, दीवार की तरह शॉट विकेट पे नवाज नासिर, सटीक गेंदबाजी अमित कुमार।
और अब स्पार्टन के मिस्टर मलिक साहब दिखाई नहीं दे रहे हैं, तो उसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि मिस्टर मलिक साहब जरा आ जाए। और अब स्पार्टन के मिस्टर मलिक साहब, हाँ अब देखो मेंटर की जरूरत है टीम को। यहाँ मेंटर जब सामने होंगे तो टीम को थोड़ा ज्यादा मोटिवेशन मिलेगा, तो आवाज आनी चाहिए।
Mushtaq is on a roll. Wicket number 4. Well. This young lad, or I should call him, his fitness level is on the way.
फील्डिंग का प्रदर्शन अनूप संतरा नए गेंदबाज, अभी भी तलाश है बाउंड्री की। 6 गेंदें खेल चुके हैं कप्तान। दिक्कतें बढ़ती हुई, दबाव बढ़ता हुआ शुभम कप्तान 7 गेंदें 1 रन। रज़ाक सलीम का साथ देते हुए ओवर प्ले का यह दूसरा ओवर।
Sheikh Samir walks out to the center with a huge responsibility on his shoulders. A Herculean task been assigned to him.
अतिरिक्त रन जोड़ता हुआ यहाँ पे शुभम और रज़ाक सलीम की जोड़ी दिन भर महफिल बुलेट। फिर एक बार चीते की तरह लाजवाब उम्दा फील्डिंग का प्रदर्शन। उछले और नवाज नासिर दीवार की तरह शॉट विकेट पे एक रन बचाते हुए अपने टीम के लिए। 3 गेंदों में मात्र 1 रन अभी तक इस ओवर में। ओ बाल बचे। साइड पे मारने के चक्कर में काफी मूव हुए यहाँ पे मिलीमीटर से दूर। प्रमोद थे फील्डर, तलाश अभी भी जारी बल्ले और गेंद के बीच में। यह संपर्क नहीं जिसके चलते मात्र 1 रन मिलेगा। अब बढ़िया गेंदबाजी चल रही है यहाँ पे। क्या कहले अनूप संतरा पावर प्ले में 2 ओवर 7 रन बिना कोई नुकसान के। 62 रन की दरकार, 8 ओवर अभी भी बाकी। महामुकाबला
pressure being applied here on the fielder. 8 for no loss here. They need wickets for sure in order to apply pressure onto the opposition. Spartans had a similar approach while they were batting. Very conservative, not trying to go for big shots. Nudging it on the onside for a single. Shubham is happy, second. Let's see there.
And look at the celebration. Magnificent. This is another big wicket. Sheikh Sameer will have to walk back, not in control of the shot. And in the process, lose on the wicket.
Great effort there by the wicketkeeper. Brilliant effort by the wicketkeeper Sameer. Couple of runs, no. Oh, what a throw! Yes. Anup Santra bowled a brilliant over in the previous over. Gives that one. They need to avoid these gifts for sure. Buffalo Bullets, they have faced 16 deliveries for the 11. Oh, shot. And that's a maximum of the bat of Razak Salim. Taking the ball on the full and dispatching it out of the park. Again, an inside edge. 3 overs gone, it's 17 for no loss. That 6 definitely has pulled a lot of things back in the balance here for Buffalo Bullets. Need wickets, they need to hunt for wickets.
This occasion, it has been crashed. Despite the 6 wickets at any rate, you can still chase this total down. Well within their reach when they can hit boundaries like that, they will still fancy their chance.
Direct hit, and that has been questioned.
Misfield.
by the umpire, gives it on to the third umpire to make the final call. Third umpire to make the decision there. Everyone's eyes glued onto the stumps. Yeah, he's made his ground.
Good connection.
Dragging the bat. Basics in place.
And the ball will reach the boundary. Two boundaries back to back on the trot. 5-1, 29 for 6.
That wickets column untouched. 19 for no loss after 3.11. Going at run a ball here. $20 for no loss in 3.2. Oh, shot. Good work there by Pramod, making sure that he didn't overrun, as well as had the presence of mind. How much bounce does the surface has? 21 for no loss. Again, run a ball fair, 48 required of 39.
Good connection. There's a fielder in place there.
In the deep. Just a single there. Down the leg side. And they'll have to cut these extras down here as much as possible. A heave on the onside effort. A brilliant one. Great determination there by the fielder, ensuring that he put his body on the line. It's tough to field in this outfield. It's wet, it's slippery. If you don't have spikes, it gets even more dangerous.
Good field.
And the wide there. 25 for no loss. Betting the best. Getting their run rate better with every ball or every over that passes by. And the good thing is that they have not lost wickets here. Chance. And taken by Pramod. Wicket falling here. Razak departs. Trying to go big. Trying to go out of the park. It's not easy to clear this ball.
Hitting the top end of the bar. Sweet spot is what is required to get
4 overs gone. It's 26 for 1.
steady partnership here for our captains. Slow and steady. And not rely on Sharma. As long as he does not succumb to pressure, it's good delivery from him. 27 required of 25 deliveries. Almost one-ball situation here. Vikesh Meena will just have to stay out at the side. shot there. That's what they say. It's not over until it's over. 6 gone. 36 for 6.
Hold on the onside. Both Shubhams out there in the center. One is Shubham Gill, the other one is Gill. Going for the kill against the opposition.
Well, the skipper has rolled the dice and given it to Aftab Pure. Who's picked up a wicket.
With soft hands, happy to take that single. Yeah, cricket is about nerves, and you can see that supporters of respective teams having that impact.
He's keeping company alongside Shahrukh Khan.
With soft hands, these singles can be cut down if the wrestling field setup is in place. Up in the air, chance.
The page and the finger goes on.
Taken.
Just one hit out there.
Shubham Gill
Rikesh Pina
departs.
throws his wicket away.
Is there a twist in the tail?
Well.
Is that
It's all about temperament.
the
It's all
comeback
about
moment here
patience. It's all
for
about
Aurum
keeping it
Spartans?
cool. And yet again, Aftab Pure providing a much needed breakthrough.
Two gone for 29 in 4.4. New batter in place. Ravi Lode did his job with the ball. Now it's time to do it with the bat.
Connection. Would be a feeling for the speed. Restricted just for a couple of runs here. Wow, I'm a new batter out of the center. 2 of 2 for him. Huge responsibility. Can he get his team on the line? Just stay at the crease. Just stay at the crease. That's the name of the game at the moment. Because you're getting those extras any which ways. 24 required of 21 deliveries. Quite possible. He caught it, and in the process, it's been put down. But the intentions are pretty much clear from Iqbal Ahmed.
This is pressure. Halfway bullets are not firing at the right direction. They are just not firing at the right direction there. The bullet has misfired in the semi-finals. slipper that departs now.
Not thinking. Oh, look at that effort from the batter.
It's the run chase pressure in the big finale.
Just to make sure there's no run out.
31 for 3 now after 5.1. It's not over, mind you. There is a lot left in this game.
Fighting tooth and nail here. Top delivery. It's all happening. 7 overs gone, 42 for 7.
What a semi-final we are witnessing here. Ravi Lodhe and Nakul Shekhar. Drives it straight down the ground, not sure.
Ladies and
And
gentlemen,
there is the left-handed in place. That's the reason you have a long off offside. And now there will be a change in the field. Gotta give it to Aurum Spartans. The way they are holding themselves out there. Not a big total, mind you.
4 for 7 for 20 runs required of
Oh, directed and he was gone. For sure he was gone. Confusion
short ball.
from every angle.
At this point of time, what they would need to do is they need to see off the start.
Had there been a directed at the striker's end, I'm sure that would have been a corner.
Overpower him. Probably
Would have been sitting in the driver's seat. It's not over. Bullets will believe they are the defending champions. They know the knack of bouncing back in the games.
Changes in the field. Goes a bit square.
Outside edge. And look at the effort behind the stumps by the wicketkeeper Sabir. Amazing commitment. They want to get a spot in the finale. They want to have a shy at the trophy.
Finally moves a bit more fine.
Why not have all what it takes to qualify and play the finale?
No damage done.
6 gone, it's 34 for 3. Down the leg side, there's a chase being put on by the fielder. Shot third, covering it up, but will not be able to cut down 2 runs there for his side.
In the process, they pick up a couple of runs. Good throw there. This is balloon up in the air. Fielder settling underneath it. What have you done? What have you done? That should have been taken. It would have been wicket number 5 for Mushtaq. He had ample amount of time to come on.
And he is knocked him off.
And the process is grabbed one more.
Ravi Lodhe has to depart. What a delivery right up there. What a game.
Good shots. Not too sure if that's the right approach against Mushtaq. He spoke about it.
$37 for 5, in fact for 4.
Process, they get to
Pramod
running between the
is the man
wickets.
who started
They
things
still
off there
feel
with
the
that
stress
catch.
here.
Now he is
The
doing
men
the
in white
magic
are fighting
with the
to
ball.
get made.
What a delivery right up there in the block hole. Try to swing that towards the cow corner, missing it completely.
Final delivery of the Mushtaq over. Swing and a miss. Use appeal. Empire unmoved.
Up in the air.
Over. 8 overs gone. 48.
Took it! What a dramatic semi-final we are witnessing here. It's a seesaw of a game, and the bullets are misfiring everywhere. Holding on to the nerves there, Amit on that occasion. It's a teamwork that brings you championships, that's what they say. And they say it right. The bowlers are doing it for their side. Half the side back in the pavilion. It's a no ball signal by the umpire.
Rahul comes out to bowl. 14 required of 12 deliveries.
It's a no ball, free hit on offer.
Vikesh Meena, can he get his team over the line? Iqbal Ahmed has been quite impressive out at the centre. But they can win this match even with singles and doubles, as long as they do not go for glory shots. If they go for glory shots in the process of getting quick runs, you might lose your wicket. Rahul. Again goes aerial, we spoke about it. That's been pinned down. That has been pinned down. Oh my goodness gracious me. And you have to blame yourself there later on. And Vikesh Meena yet again not too sure what he was trying to do there. Easy catch has been put down.
40 for 5, 7 overs gone, 29 required of 3 overs. It's not over, mind you. Yes, they are slightly on the back foot here. They have been baffled in the
But this
market,
time,
but it's
the
not
fielder
done.
makes no
We have
mistake.
seen how
Bit of
pendulum
fumble from
swings.
Aftab, but he holds on
He
to
had
it.
the upper hand, suddenly being shocked with some performances. This is exactly what the bullets require here. They want the bullets to start firing correctly.
A bit of juggle, but in the end he manages to hold on to it after. Not too sure why the approach.
On the onside, they're playing it in the gap, looking for 2. Will they come back? They decide to, and they'll complete it. And these runs will help for sure. These are crucial runs. That's up in the air, chance. No call whatsoever. Wicketkeeper wanted it, the bowler wanted it. No one wanted a collision. That's the reason they went away from the line of the ball.
And the keeper misses it. By signal by the umpire. And I think
Lead it towards the covers. Just a second of that one. It's getting onto the wire. 43 for 5 in 7.2. 26 of 16. Heave on the onside, looking for 2. Oh, connected! That's the effort! Connected from the boundary rope. Akram Ansari. He departs.
Brilliant over from Rahul, just given away. Couple of runs there. 51 for 8.
Just a single.
11 runs required. Can Rahul be the
It's a funny game for sure.
The need maximums and boundaries in this over to get over the line and to stay alive in this contest.
On the other ground, 11 runs required of the last over with 2 wickets in hand.
Thank you, Asim, for covering the neighboring over as well.
Here, 11 required in 6.
Pendulum swing has been swinging in multiple directions, sometimes in favor of the Titans, sometimes in favor of the Bharat Mavericks. 10 required now. Ravi Wire under pressure.
Unnecessary. Unnecessary. Not at all required. At times, the excitement has to
Two
be
extras
controlled.
already. And Iqbal quickly
Not get overexcited in such situations.
Leave those wide deliveries. Do not attempt to play a shot when you're getting those freebies in the form of donations. Enjoy them.
Dot ball. Important dot ball here. All the dot balls are like gold dust.
Around the bowler. Some words of wisdom being shared here.
Control the extras for sure.
Don't worry, just take on, just be focused. You've got this mate. Is what is
Big heave. And put down. Still a drama left. An important thing is that didn't go all the way for a maximum or for a boundary.
Wow, 3 wides on the 3 odds. There's a soft inquiry. Hasn't been before upstairs.
That's in the air.
Check for the entire score.
That's a maximum.
Not too sure. Yes, it has been before upstairs.
Oh my goodness, it's not getting over here.
Remember, that's still an extra.
13 required of 8 balls. Sweeps that on the onside. Two runs taken. Great running, and suddenly Bafle Bullets, they believe and they are out there to support. With every run that is being scored, It's not over here. Mind you, it's just not getting over. It's getting tense.
He was inside the crease. When did he leave the crease? Is the question. And there you go. The wicket has been stumped there.
Standing in front of the stumps.
What was he doing there, Rahul?
There was a chance there.
Yeah, there you go. Smart bit of ball from the keeper. That has reminded us of Johnny Bairstow's win out in Australia, where Alex Carey got the better of Johnny Bairstow. Wonderful bit of effort from the keeper.
The skipper will bowl the final over. 10 runs required. 10 runs needed of the final over.
Last wicket now. Will just be a single. First legal delivery from Ravi.
Oh, good delivery, good delivery. The extras have to be controlled here. It is the skipper. He just can't do anything wrong here. It has to be very clear. 55.
That will be
7
right.
needed of 4
Away from the front line. Well, it's all
on
happening
the other
here.
ground.
6 required of 4 deliveries.
8 required, in fact 9
Maximum
required
1
here
minute.
of
Or
5.
will it be singles? Time will tell. This is going down till the wire. Abdul Bashar is the new batter. Iqbal Ahmed still out at the crease.
Dot ball. Priceless dot ball here. 4 balls, 9 needed.
Legal delivery. They're asking for it. Empire unmoved. 6 required of 3. I would love to
And cleans him up.
see
Nawaz. गूंजती रहेगी इनकी आवाज. शानदार गेंदबाजी, अंडर प्रेशर. कप्तान
right delivery. Well. The pressure
और अब
is
ये
saying
मैचेस
it
दोनों
all.
ग्राउंड में हो रहे हैं, दोनों टाइट.
It's the pressure. And it's the pressure. Karan having a word with them.
Three balls, 9 needed. And they managed to run through by Signet. Very smart decision. Batter had covered the line of the stumps completely. 2 balls, 8. Oh, what a delivery. 1 ball, 8 required. And it's the skipper under pressure, delivering for the team. That's it. Aurum Spartans, they've made their way to the finals. That's the aura of the man who has delivered under pressure. With the bat in the previous games and now with the ball. And the Bullets have misfired terribly in the semi-finals. Not sure if it was a miscalculation in how to manage this run chase, or was it the overconfidence? They've played some quality cricket. They came here to defend the title. They played well, started with victory, back-to-back victories, came into the semi-finals. And look at this support. They are done with this semi-final game and they have jumped onto the other ground to support the team.